smiling just to get through every day. Even when I'm breaking on the way, they see strength but they don't see the cost. All the nights when I felt completely lost, I got used to hiding how I feel, trying to pretend the pain's not real. But I'm tired of pretending I'm okay.